Hey there, fellow Texans. Today we're diving deep into something that binds the vibrant business scene in our great state, the Texas Business Organizations Code. Now, I know it might sound a bit dry, but stick with us. It's more interesting than you might think. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. Now, we navigate through the vast plains and the bustling cities of Texas, often admiring the spirit and tenacity that's apparent in every small business and towering skyscraper. This essence, the entrepreneurial spirit of Texas, is in part guided and nurtured by the Texas Business Organizations Code. It's basically a set of rules, a playbook if you will, that governs how businesses are formed, operated, and dissolved in Texas. Think of it as the ground rules for playing the business game here. Now let's spice it up with a few facts. As of 2021, there were over 2.8 million small businesses in Texas. Yep, that's a big number, right? These businesses make up a significant chunk of our economic backbone, providing jobs for millions of Texans. So, the Business Organizations Code isn't just some boring document. It's the silent engine behind the thriving business community here. It outlines different types of business structures like corporations, partnerships, and limited liability companies, helping people choose the best fit for their business dreams. In fact, Texas has been recognized as one of the best states to start a business multiple times. I mean, it isn't a surprise, given the friendly policies and a rich history of innovation. The Business Organizations Code plays a big role in maintaining this business-friendly environment. It helps to streamline the process and makes it easier for newcomers to join the business arena. It also acts like a protective umbrella in many ways, ensuring that the rights and responsibilities of business owners are clearly defined, reducing the risk of conflicts and misunderstandings. It's like having a trusted guide in the often complex journey of running a business. And here's another interesting tidbit. Between 2015 and 2020, Texas saw a growth of nearly 32% in the number of new businesses. That's quite a leap, right? It's this code that helps facilitate that growth, fostering a space where businesses can thrive and expand. For help starting a business in Texas, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our formation team at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion of the Texas Business Organizations Code? Do you think all states should have a state code in place to help people launch their businesses? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.